Hi, welcome to Rich Life Resources. In this video, we're going to share with you our top 5 secrets to making money from home in 2023. These are methods that I've personally used and have been successful with, so I'm confident that they can work for you too. So if you're looking for a way to make some extra money in less than 6 hours per day, or even start a full-time business from home, then this video is for you. Secret number 1, app testing. One of the easiest ways to make money from home is by testing apps. There are a number of websites and platforms that connect app developers with testers. To get started, simply sign up for one of these platforms like User Testing, Testbirds, or Try My UI, and complete a qualification test. Once you're qualified, you'll be able to start receiving app testing assignments. The pay for app testing is usually low, but it's a great way to make some extra money in your spare time. Secret number 2, dropshipping. Dropshipping is a business model where you sell products without having to stock any inventory. When a customer places an order, you simply forward the order details to your supplier, who will then ship the product directly to the customer. Dropshipping can be a great way to start an online business with little upfront investment. However, it's important to do your research and choose a niche that is in demand. Great platforms to start are AliExpress, WooCommerce, and Shopify. Secret number 3, online surveys. Another easy way to make money from home is by taking online surveys. There are a number of legitimate survey websites that will pay you for your opinions, such as Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, Vendale Research, and more. The pay for online surveys is usually very low, but it's a great way to make some extra money in your spare time. Secret number 4, remote work/freelancing. Now, this is my absolute favorite, and the one that brings me the most money. If you have skills and expertise in a particular area, you can also make money from home by working remotely or freelancing. There are a number of websites and platforms that connect freelancers with clients, such as Fiverr, Upwork, Remoteoc, and many more. Simply create a profile and start bidding on projects that match your skills and expertise. These are just a few of the many ways to make money from home in 2023. The best way to find what works for you is to experiment and try different things. So don't be afraid to give it a try, and remember, never place your eggs in one basket. With a little effort, you can start making money from home today. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on how to live a rich life. See you next time.